Hi store owners, my name is Kristel and welcome to Advanced Coupons channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the loyalty program plugin. Now, what are the benefits that you could get from this plugin aside from maintaining or improving your brand and customer loyalty? You could also definitely increase your sales because the more you give points to your customers, the more chances of them spending more to your site. Aside from that, there will be an improvement for those slow moving stocks or inventory because you could award more points for those products so that customer will have to buy them, or they would want to buy them to earn more points. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up this plugin. So let's start. First, of course, all you have to do is just go to your site's dashboard, and then the loyalty program, of course, once installed, and also the advanced coupons free plugin is a requirement plugin for this loyalty program. So you have to install the advanced coupons free plugin and then install the loyalty program plugin. Once you have successfully installed this, all you have to do is just go to your site's dashboard and then go to coupons and click loyalty program. So let's check. Once you are here, you will be able to see the available settings for this plugin. First, all you have to do is click this first tab, would be the dashboard, and then here you will be able to see the points that your customers earned. And this would be the point history, and then you have the information and the points information here, the value of the points that were earned, and here, and you will get the top earning customers here. Next tab will be the customers tab, and here you can either edit or increase or decrease the points of the customer. So let's say if you want to manually add points or loyalty points to your customer, you can do that. So let me try to use this one and so that I could show you. So I've clicked this customer Josh, and then you have this option whether to increase or decrease the points. So currently the points available for this customer would be 1,920. So if I want to increase it with another 500, the adjustment will increase and then proceed. Okay, as you can see here, it was adjusted. It's already 2,420 points. And next, for the settings, here you could do a lot of things with this loyalty program plugin. So there are a lot of options here. We do have points earning settings. We do have the general settings, the messages that you want to show to the customers when they are earning points, the redemption and expiry, role restrictions, and more advanced tools. So we're going to start first on the general settings. This would be the price to points earned ratio. So this one and the points to price redeemed ratio will be working hand in hand. The price to points earned ratio would be, this would define the ratio of points earned for each dollar spent. For example, setting a ratio of 1 means 1 point is earned for every $1 spent. Setting a ratio of 5 means 5 points are earned for every dollar spent. So usually this one is $1. It will start with $1. And then points to price redeemed ratio, this is up to you. So if they earned 1 point, let's say that would be equivalent to $1 already. But there are a lot of customers that they want to increase more points so that, for example, they have to earn 10 points first, and this 10 points will be equivalent to $1. So if they want to spend, or if they want to use a store credit of $5, they need to have 50 points, or they have to earn 50 points in order for them to earn $5. And for points name, you could customize this one. By default, points are called points. throughout the store. You can override the name of your points here, and you could just leave it like points. Next, my points page URL and point. So the URL slug that is used for the my points page. So you could edit this one, or you could leave it less my points. And then for the disallow earning points when a store credit discount is applied on cart, this is a great feature on this plugin because it is up to you whether you will allow them to earn more points even though they've used the store credit, or you could disallow them to use it. So if you activate this one, and for example, they already earned from their previous order, they've already earned some points from the loyalty program, what they could do is they will use the store credits, of course, because I have points available. So as a customer, I am eager to use this points to offset some amount from the fees that I'm going to pay. So if you activate this feature, they will not earn any points if they use the store credit. Or actually, it's highly suggested that you activate this one, but it's up to you, especially if you have an ongoing promo, for example, during holidays or the anniversary of your site, where the customers will get more credit, more points to, increase your brand loyalty. But definitely, if you leave this active, this disallow earning points, if you leave it active, it would definitely increase your points or increase your sales. Also, of course, there will be an increase of sales if you leave this off, but I highly suggest on my end to activate this one. Again, it's up to you if you're gonna activate it or not. So let's move on to the points earning. So here you could manage the points that the customer can earn by buying items to your site or by doing some activities. So first, of course, we are going to set up the points calculation options. Now, we do have discounts here. If this option is checked, points will be calculated on orders with the discount amount included as part of the calculation. Now, discounts will be calculated also, and even tax. If this option is checked, points will be calculated on orders with the tax amount included as part of the calculation. Now, if you want to also add shipping or other fees, for example, payment method fees, you can activate this. But usually, what we have are discounts and tax. Next, minimum threshold to earn points. Now, if you set the minimum spend for a customer to be eligible to accumulate points for an order, once an order is eligible, the customer will receive points for the entire subtotal. Now, of course, it's up to you how you want to set this one, but there are a lot of customers also, so that there are a lot of clients who set up this like for $100. If the minimum subtotal of the checkout page has already more, let's say $100, that's the time that they're going to earn points. But if their cart is just for $50 or the items in the cart is just for $50, then they will not earn any points. Next, order related points waiting period. Now, number of days after the order is completed for the order related points to be redeemable by customers. Again, it's up to you whether you want to give it immediately once they purchase or once they have paid for the product, or you have to wait for, let's say, 10 days, because some customers, they tend to send the items back or refund the amount, and the points are not being refunded. So next, always use regular price. So when earning points, of course, we do have items that are on sale, which are lower than the regular price. So if you leave this off, the price that the points will be earned will be based on the sale price if it's available. And if not, it will be based on the regular price. But if you activated this one, it will always use the regular price. Usually they turn it off, but again, it's up to you. For the points amounts, what we do have here are the actions that earn points. So not just when purchasing, there are a lot of things that they could do to your site so that they could earn some points. So first of all, we do have purchasing products. Of course, 100%. If they buy products from you, then they will be earning some points. When leaving a product review, this is sometimes really vital for other clients, because the more, if they want to like hype the product, they will be activating the product review, and then they will be, you could encourage your customers to leave some product review on your products that you sell on your site, and they will earn points. And then we do have here commenting on blog posts. Again, you encourage your customers to leave some reviews, to leave some comments, so that they will earn more points. And then, of course, customer interaction is a huge deal when it comes to selling some products, because it means that there are other customers who wants to buy your products will see some review. Because for, let's say, as a customer, for me, I always check the review part or the comment section of the product to be sure that this product is effective, or it's working, or if the shipping is good, or if the product is worthy. Next, after completing the first order, of course, this is a good touch for the extra discount for encouraging customers to earn more or to purchase more on your product, because usually they offer first order coupons to encourage them to go back to your site and purchase more. Next, spending over a certain amount for breakpoints. For example, you could set it for $100. They could earn, or minimum order of $100. They could give them, let's say, 20 points for that. If they've spent $500 on your site, they will be earning 50 points for that. So I'm going to show you how to put it up later. And then for extra points during a period, for this one, of course, if a customer has been with you for, let's say, 10 years, they've been buying from your site for 10 years, then you could give them or award them 4 points for being loyal. Of course, that's the point of our loyalty program, to award your loyal customers. So for leaving the review, it's up to you. Again, how much points do you want to offer? You could give 10, because it would be an effort for a customer to leave some review, because they would be taking some time typing and reviewing your products. Next, for commenting on the blog post, you could give 10 also, or again, it's up to you. For registering as a user, for registering customers as a customer, or you could reward them for any points, because it's better to have a registered customer on your site, because you could keep them on your email list, which is, it's a good thing also for when you offer some marketing. It's best to keep those information. Next, after completing first order, you could award this 10 points. Good job for doing your first order. Here's the 10 points for you. So isn't it that's nice touch for first time experience. Next, for the spending over a threshold breakpoint. So as I mentioned a while ago, let's say if they've spent $100, then they could earn, let's say 10%. Let's put 10% for this. So they will earn 10 points. I'm going to add more here. If they spend $200, then they will be getting 20 points. And then you could do $300 here and then 30 points. Then it's up to you how much you will go. Or you could set a maximum of, let's say 400. If they've reached 500, let's say, then they're going to be earning 50 points. Then this would be the end of it. If they've reach $600, then it will remain 50 points. Okay. For extra points earned during the duration of time, this will depend on the registration date of the customer. So you could set this until what date. So that's why I've mentioned to you that registration is a good thing for your site and for your customers, because you could award more points if they've been with you for the longest time. Let's now move on the messages. So once you click these messages, this will be the options that you will see. So here for logged in users, points to earn message in cart. You could customize this one, but by default, this order will earn and then the points that they will earn for that certain order. Next, points to earn message in checkout or the checkout page. And then again, by default, there is already here, but it's up to you if you want to customize it. Next, points to earn message in a product. You could show a message here like this item will earn this points. So again, it's up to you how you want to customize these messages. For guests, we have here to hide points to earn messages for guests. So there are a lot of, let's say, customers who want to browse first before logging in. If you want them to earn points, it's actually they need to be logged in to their account on your site, or you need to force them to register on your site in order for them to earn points. Because if they check out as, let's say, as a guest on your site, then the points will not be earned, or it will be for nothing. The points will be deleted at the end, even if it says that they've earned points for this, because in the first place they are not logged in. The system doesn't know them. The system cannot recognize who this customer is. So here you could leave this off. If, let's say, a customer will be going to your site and then purchasing first, and then at the checkout page they will be logging in, and then the points will be earned. Or if you want, you could leave this on, so that if, let's say, your site, your customers can always check out without logging in, you could activate this feature, so that, because this will raise a lot of questions from their end. Because if I'm the customer, I've seen some notification on the checkout page or on the product page that I will earn these points if I purchase it. But why did I not get any points? You have to explain again to the customers that you have to log in. So this would, this might create some issues between you and the customer. So I highly suggest you activate this if you are allowing customers to check out as guests, or you could take it off if you are, or you could put it off if you are suggesting, or if you are forcing them to log in before they checked out. And then points to earn message in cart. Here you could customize. Let's say this order will earn points. This you need to be logged in to earn these points. Yeah, as a reminder to the customer that they have to be logged in. Next, points to earn message and checkout page. It's just the same as this one for the guests. So it's like encouraging them to register or log in to your site so that they will earn points. For points to earn message in the product, it's just the same also. All you have to do, you could copy this one. Just a notification for your guests that they have to log in order to earn these points. For coupon label, you could customize the labels. For example, under the subtotal, you will be using a coupon, and then you will see coupon and the coupon code. So if you want to change this one, for example, discount, and then coupon code. So as you can see here, you could customize this one, but it's up to you. But usually they will just leave it as it is, as a coupon label. Let's now move on to the redemption and expiry. So all you have to do is click it, and then for the minimum points allowed for redemption. So this is a good thing also, so that you could manage the points earned properly. You could set the minimum number of points allowed to be redeemed on the store credit. So for example, if they already have an available $100 or below, let's say I will put $100 here. If they have an available 50, they are not allowed yet to use the store credit points or the loyalty points. And if they've already made a minimum of $100, then go ahead and use the points. For the maximum points allowed for each store credits redemption, for example, I currently have 2,000 plus points, and let's say the value of that is $2,000 or $200. Let's say the value of that is $200 for the 10%. I could just set, let's say, you're only allowing them to redeem 500 points or $50 maximum on their order. So let's say if they have an available, let's say $1,000, and the 10% for that would be 100 points, they are own, they could use that one. But for this, the maximum points that they could spend would be 500, and 50 points is, or $50 is the maximum that they could cover on their order using the store credit. Next, for the points expire after days of inactivity. So here, if they are not using, they are not earning, they are not using, you can set the expiration date, usually 1 year, but it's up to you if you want to prolong it. By default, it's 365, but again, you could leave it 0 if you don't want to give an expiration on those points. Next, points expiry message. Then we have here, points are valid until the date of the expiration. Redeem or earn more points to extend validity. Again, you could customize it if you want to, but this would be the default text or default notification for the expiry message. For points redemption, additional information, here there is a default text again, and again you could customize this one, and it's up to you. For this here, hide checkout form if points don't meet the minimum threshold for redemption. If you leave this on, let's say if you leave this on, or if you activate this one, and they have, let's say you've set the minimum of 100 points and they only have, let's say, 90 points, the store credit will not appear on their checkout page. But if you leave this off, the store credit will still appear, but they won't be able to use it. And you have to again inform them why they cannot use the credit, and it's like you need to set a minimum points there, right? So you have to explain to the customers that they need to earn a minimum of 100 points for them to redeem those store credits. Now let's move on to the role restrictions. As you all know, we are also the owner of the wholesale suite plugin, and this wholesale suite plugin, you have the option to create wholesale roles. If they have these roles already, it means that they are already getting more discounts than the regular customers. You could exclude them. For example, here, I could exclude the wholesale customers from earning points because, of course, they are already getting a deducted price beyond sale price. Actually, they are already getting some more discounts on the products they are purchasing. So I will not allow them to use points. Or if you are generous enough, you could leave this blank. Then it's up to you for you to decide on this one. For the help option, Let's now move on to the help option. So we do have the refetch update data here. This will refetch update or refetch plugin update data, useful for debugging failed plugin update your operations, because sometimes the server or the hosting is having a hard time updating or getting the new updates from not just our plugin, with other plugins too. That thing happens. So all you have to do is just click this refetch update data. And then next, for the cleanup plugin options on uninstallation. So if you check this one, let's say for example, if you are debugging, you want to uninstall the loyalty program, and if you want to make a clean slate, all you have to do is just click this one, activate it. But I highly suggest you maintain it off, because this will really wipe out everything. All of your settings will be wiped out once you install a new copy of your plugin. So next, for the advanced tools, import loyalty points data from other plugins. Now this would be the newest option or newest feature in the loyalty program plugin. You can choose a plugin, migrate customers' points data to loyalty program for WooCommerce. For example, if you previously have points, as of the moment, we do have the WooCommerce points and rewards plugin here available. So we've already integrated with them. If you had this plugin on your site and you want to migrate all the points they've earned, or your customers' points earned from that plugin to the loyalty program, all you have to do is just choose this and then import, and then you could deactivate. Tick this one to deactivate the plugin after importing. So it means that once you've imported the points to the loyalty program, automatically the WooCommerce points and rewards plugin will be deactivated. We are working hard to integrate more reward points or points and rewards plugins available in WordPress. As of this moment, this would be the only plugin that we've integrated to. So hopefully soon we will have more plugins here where you could import or transfer those points from your old plugin to the loyalty program. So let me show you what you could see under the My Accounts for your orders or for your points. Once you activate the loyalty program plugin, your customers will have this option, the My Points option, on their My Account page. And here, enter points, enter amount, redeem points as store credit. So it's up to you. Let's say, for example, I have $242 worth of store credits here, or I have points from the loyalty program plugin, and let's check my store credit available. So I have 255. So let's say I'm going to get $45 to, let's say, $300 here as a credit balance or a store credit balance. So I need $45, or I will redeem $45 from the loyalty program here, and check the store credit amount if it was transferred. Let's say that's 10. How much is that? So 450 points from here, and then I will earn $45 that we've checked a while ago. The store credits available is 255, and let's check after once I've redeemed this points. It should be $300 then here. Okay, and for the store credit, okay, so it's already available here. It's $300. So this would be a very convenient option, because aside from not generating a coupon anymore to use on your checkout page, all you have to do is just transfer it on the store credit. Because let's go to the shop page so I can show to you the checkout, or how the store credit looks like on your checkout page. For example, I have Happy Ninja here, and I have on sale here. Then let's check out this products. So I have a total amount of $28 here for subtotal, and then proceed check out. Okay, so here are the redeem as store credits. You could, if you click this one, you could redeem it here, or you could redeem it from the My Account page. So, it's easier if you want to redeem how many points here, and then you immediately see it under store credit balance. Or if you want to go through the My Account, you can do it also, but it's, you could save more time if you do it on the checkout page. And so currently I only have $38 for the total amount of my order. Do I want to pay it in full using the store credit, or if I want to use, you could use $10 only. Let's say I will purchase it using the store credit. Store credit discount was applied successfully. So all you have to do is just place the order, and I don't have to pay anything anymore because I've used the store credit to check out these products. Please order. Okay, so the order has been done and paid with store credits for $38. So I hope this video helped you out. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Or if you want to talk with us, please reach out through our support email. So I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Bye!